Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Row. In this video, I'm going to be going over a simple tutorial request, which is going over the outline component and just doing a brief overview of it. So if you go ahead and go to your ultimate player or your player character and open that up, you're going to see in your player character that when you scroll down in the components, you will find a ACF outline component. And pretty much what this is that every time you go near some sort of NPC, that they'll be covered in this white outline by default, if you're using the sample. And you can do stuff like increase the brightness, increase the sharpness, extend the effect and so on, and even change the color for it. So for example, I'll do something like red and I'll make it a solid outline. And for now, I'll just try that out. And now if I go over it, it'll be a red solid line around it. And this could be good for targeting enemies from far away. Whereas if I did something like highlight the whole mesh and use the text, actually, let's highlight the whole mesh first. And now when I selected highlight whole mesh, the whole thing's going to be red. And this looks pretty pointless in an RPG, but it might be useful for maybe like an RTS when you click on a unit or something. And yeah, because this guy looks kind of awkward, just glowing and staring at us in that right butt. And if you were to use your texture, you can select whichever texture you have. So I'll just use the default one. And if I use the whole texture, you'll see that it looks like it's covered in lava. And I'll just change these back to the default. And you can also change the overlay effects by selecting a different material. And if this might be useful if you're doing something like the highlighting the whole mesh in a certain material when you go near it. And if you don't want the outline effect, instead of clearing it, if you clear it, it will give you errors after you run your code. So you can just leave the brightness at 0 and it won't have that effect anymore. And that's it for the ACF outline component. Thanks for watching Code with Row. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Feel free to join our Discord community to request tutorials, and I'll try to get that out of the way as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.